Hi friends, walk with me. This is Rajashri and let's experience Duos with me. Duos is the place that I wanted to visit since a very long time. It was our one of the bucket list thing. And suddenly after the lockdown, we have just randomly decided, hey, why not going to Duos? And we just plan all of a sudden and have taken the train from Kolkata Shialda station, which is reaches to the Hashimara. So after taking the train, it's an overnight train journey, and believe me, after a long time I had a train journey, and I was loving it. Okay, when we reached Shiliguri, almost the train was fully empty. Okay, and from Shiliguri to Hashimara, the train was moving very slowly. It was going via forest, it was going via tea estate or the garden most of the time. I have came across some bridges, some dried river. I can see some stone on the river area, and friends, I love the journey. I have never experienced such a nice train journey since very long time in my life. And this time when I have this train journey, believe me, this 3.5 days of the Duos trip is not as memorable as this train journey of the 2 hours from Shiliguri to the Hashimara. Every part of the place make me feel so happy, and that happiness I cannot describe. Okay, I'm a very much photo freak of person. I have taken a ample of photos, but when I take the photo and when I see from my eyes, it's completely different experience. This video I am bringing to you because many of my friends actually ask me ki, why don't you make a vlog of yours, because I love traveling and I love sharing and I love talking. So why don't combine all of it and bring my experience to you. So this is my first picked one experience for all of you. It's Duos. Now this is a day one when we are actually reaching the place. It's called Hashimara. After the wonderful train journey, we reached Hashimara, and it is our day
It's
one. We reached the
recording.
Holong Eco Resort village. Yes, it's recording. My daughter did some videos, so I have some of the some of the mood of it. So I can share. The first day we have been to the South Koyabari. It was a tiger or the cheetah reserve place where you have a hiking. Then we went to the Tinbagha Estate, Holong River. Very small places we have done on the day one, and then on the Eco Resort village on the day two. By the way, guys, this is not the government one. This is a private one where we have booked from the Make My Trip. The day two, we meet our friends. They are from the Kolkata itself. We stay in the same locality and we met there. They had their trip to North Bengal by their car, and that's another experience I might one day ask them to share. And the first we went to the Totopada, and from there we went to have our lunch, and then we went to the Jaldapada National Forest Park. Love it. The jeep ride, seeing the animal, seeing the different kind of trees experience. Look how many peacocks are there. I haven't seen so many peacocks at the same time in my entire life. The birds are singing. I love hearing them. Everything is very much the thing I thrilled about. I still enjoyed about the jeep ride, and seeing the animal. Obviously, my 10 years old daughter had a good time. She was 9 though that time. Look at the peacock. Look at the birds flying
আমরা
everywhere.
এখন
Wow, I
জলদাপাড়া
love
ফরেস্টে আছি
it. And most
সাফারি নিচ্ছি
this
আমরা
one of
অলরেডি
the
বাইসন
videos
দেখেছি
just
কম
journey out
করে
and
12-13টা
that's
পিকক দেখেছি অ্যান্ড রাইনো দেখেছি রাইট মাহি অ্যান্ড নাও লুকিং ফর এলিফ্যান্ট লেটস সি ক্যান উই সি এলিফ্যান্ট হোয়াট ডু ইউ থিঙ্ক গাইজ
the best part of this national forest was the trees. Every tree tell us a different story. The tree trunks are very differently, and if you see around with the animals and with the thing, the trees are having their own story. I love seeing the forest, and once we have done the forest trip, we have been to the tea estate again. And the day 2 ended with the Boro dance with the localite young girls who perform every day evening by the forest area. It is their own local dance. We enjoy the dance with some tea, some vegetable momo with a cabbage filling, and with a kind of coriander and the chili chutney mixed with it. When I'm telling you guys, I'm still like having water on my mouth. It is so yummy and so tasty. The dance rhythm and the girls and them seeing me just dance with them, but no one was dancing, so I couldn't go and dance along with them. And I love watching them dancing. And I was thinking every day evening they are performing the same dance, and they are doing it with the same enthusiastic way every time, and I loved it. The day 2 ended here. We started a day 3. Day 3 we started with our morning walk in the forest, and then we went to the Boxer and Jayanti. The Jayanti ride is wonderful. We have taken a jeep. The river is dried out this time of the year. Otherwise it is a very heavy flow river other part of the time, and by the jeep we reached to the place which having a Mahakal temple, and the jeep is stopped in some place, and we had a local hiking out there. It is a very rocky area. I had my leg surgery a year before, so it was a little difficult to walk, but believe me friends, it was not let me feel the pain when I reached the Mahakal temple. The 5 or the 7 layer of the mountain, and across that mountain you can have a Bhutan. We haven't been to the Bhutan, but yes, I enjoyed thoroughly the Jayanti experience and the hiking and the Mahakal temple. That made me feel really good, and this is one of the must thing to visit when I go to Duars again on the next time. From the Duars Jayanti, we have been to the place called Shikia Jorab. It is a river boat ride. The sidewise is the forest. You can only see the birds and some duck and something, but the river boat ride itself makes you feel a little bored. I liked it. I liked the quietness. I loved it, and believe me, when you go there, the foods are very simple, but the view makes your heart go wondering that wow, nature can be even that beautiful. And that is what Duars is all about. Guys, you can even share your experience, how your trip was when you have been to Duars.
Duars, this is our last day at Duars.
This is our last day.
Today we're going to be going on a watchtower.
My daughter's video, you can have a see.
Up the watchtower, and yeah. So let's take the tour of our hotel room first. It's really messy because this is our last day. We have lots of packing, that is why. Here's like, this came in the room, and yeah, it's like, this is like a teacup holder. It's like cool. And here's a tea tree thing, and here's a candle because we're in the forest and lots of power outages happen. A little drawer remote. This is my favorite one. It's so squishy and nice. And here's the TV, of course. Here's like the controls and stuff. The walls are so cool. I just love it. Here's like a photo frame. And this is our washroom. And this is a table. This is also so cool. So fluffy and nice. This table came here. And another photo. My favorite part is the bed and this table. The table is so cool. I love it. And here's a sofa. And outside, there's my father. Here's a glass table, a little chair, and here. So let us go. Here, there's this locking system. You can just lock it like that, but we don't have to lock it now. So let's go down. Down, down, down. Here's some trees. Here's like a gazebo where I love sitting in. And here's like a table to just talk together. Here's a swing. This is my favorite swing, but it's also really tiring. Here's my mother. I love this swing too. I spend most of my time in the swing. So now should we go to the watchtower?
Surely.
Okay, let's go. I climbed this tree because of a photo.
So that I can capture?
No, it's okay. Okay, so we are going here. Here's like a little thing so all the wild animals don't come in here. So let's go. It's a forest, and look, there's some cool flowers too here. It's like jungle flowers. So which way to go? Yes, some jungle flowers. So let's just continue our walking. Walk, walk. Yeah, here are the jungle flowers. Wait, see how cool that is? It has hairs on it, spiky. Wow, it's so cool. Okay, so now let's continue walking. Yeah, so we're walking all the way to the watchtower. We're gonna climb on top of it today. So I'm gonna climb on top of it with you. Okay, so let's just continuously walk and walk and walk and walk and walk and walk and walk. Okay, we're almost there. There's a watchtower. My parents are behind me. Okay, so, oh, here's a shovel. You didn't see that? Here's some sand. We're walking on the sand now.
Thanks to my daughter and thanks to Mahi that I have a proof of that place and some video activities, right? And that's why I can share with you all. And she's always very enthusiastic to take all kind of videos. And this is the last day, so we had a thoroughly enjoyed the forest walk, 3 of us. And then we went to the place called Indo-Bhutan border, okay? That is another thing you must visit before you go. Due to the lockdown, you cannot go inside the Bhutan. But surely you can go to the border area and the Pasaka, that the Bhutan border line. You can see the mountain range and the other view. The drive itself is good. I am regretting that I don't have any video of that place. So maybe next time I'll try to do more video on that and love to share with you all. So